This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, avocado toast. I came to a realization while working on the 2 e-cookbooks we are ever so close to releasing. That realization was that I've been cooking a long time, and many of the recipes and techniques that I think are easy may not be easy to a new cook. This recipe is something anyone, even a total novice or newbie, can make. I promise it doesn't get any easier than avocado toast. It's toast and an avocado, smashed with some avocado oil and twice told spice. You can be a purist or top with bacon, fried egg, cottage cheese caprese, chili oil, and so much more. It's simple. You want to be Sigma in the kitchen? Let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic. Okay?
Pretty tasty.
Tastes very avocado-y and quite toasty too. I wonder why. Let's eat.